Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to actually use this type of clip chart and how to ensure that it doesn't spoil. Alright, check it out. First and foremost, you need to understand how this mechanism works. If you look slightly up, you see there's a hinge here. So the idea is to push and pull down. Don't force it. Down, see, push, pull it down, then you clip your item here, and then from the bottom you clip, ensuring that it clicks here. Got it? So that's how you ensure that this thing lasts longer and is used properly. Thanks for tuning in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay safe.